In the serene chambers where my heart dwells, I discover the remnants of a love that once flourished like the roses in the royal gardens, radiant and brimming with potential. However, as I revisit those memories, they resemble the scorched pages of a book we authored together, each word singed, each sentence a mere shadow of what might have been. Love, in its most genuine essence, was a fire that warmed my spirit, yet now it flickers feebly amidst the remnants, a reminder of aspirations that slipped through our grasp like wisps of smoke. The burden of royal obligations frequently separated us, but in those fleeting moments your gaze became a refuge. How peculiar it is to hold both such affection and sorrow simultaneously, to treasure a love that the world never fully recognized, as if it were a secret inscribed in invisible ink on the charred pages of our story. I recall the first instance our hands intertwined, the spark that leaped between us like sunlight piercing through a tempestuous sky. It was a bond that transcended words, a silent vow that even the most unyielding barriers of tradition could not restrain. Yet, as the seasons shifted, so did our narrative, no longer a gentle tune but a delicate note quivering on the brink of silence. The court murmured, and I scrutinized with skepticism, as if love were an act of defiance. Nevertheless, in the solitude of my reflections, you remained a guiding light, a flame that refused to extinguish. Yet flames devour, and at times they leave only ashes. Our love, once a vivid inferno, now lies among the scorched pages, a saga of passion and anguish intertwined, unforgettable and impossible to rewrite. There was a period when I was convinced that love could overcome all obstacles, barriers, distance, and even the passage of time. I envisioned us strolling through gardens illuminated by the moonlight, our laughter creating a melody that no palace walls could confine. However, the harshness of reality drew boundaries between us, resembling a map of forbidden routes. The crown I don is burdensome, and its weight frequently bears down on my heart, reminding me that obligation must precede longing. Nevertheless, even in the solitude of my quarters, your name is a soft prayer, a gentle refrain that lingers on my lips. The charred remnants of our story narrate a tale of sacrifice, of love that dared to flourish, but was never destined to endure. Yet I continue to cling to those scorched words, for they are all that remains of a love that has profoundly influenced my identity. In the stillness of the night, when the world diminishes and only the stars persist, I find myself meandering through the hallways of recollection. Each step resonates with the laughter and tears we experienced together, a blend of joy and sorrow that was uniquely ours. Love is not always characterized by grand gestures or flawless moments. At times it manifests as a quiet understanding, a shared glance across a bustling room. Our love was a whisper in the shadows, fragile and ephemeral, akin to a delicate flower caught in an unexpected frost. The burnt remnants of our story are marked with the bittersweet ink of what might have been, a narrative left incomplete, a dream only partially realized. Yet, even in its flaws it was exquisite, a testament to love's ability to transform and transcend. I have come to understand that love is simultaneously a blessing and a burden, a guiding light and a consuming fire. Within the palace's corridors, where every smile is scrutinized and every word evaluated, our love represented a clandestine rebellion, a flicker of humanity amidst the rigid formality. It was in your gaze that I discovered a reflection of my authentic self, a princess unconfined by title, yet liberated in spirit. However, freedom frequently exacts a toll, and the charred pages of our story bear the marks of decisions made and paths abandoned. Love imparted to me strength, resilience, and the bravery to maintain hope even when the world appeared intent on snuffing out our flame. Although the pages may be scorched, the narrative continues to thrive within me, a treasured memory ingrained in the very fabric of my soul. At times I ponder whether the stars above are aware of our tale, if they oversee the charred pages of our story with a gentle glow. Our love was a constellation of moments, some radiant, others dim, interwoven into the tapestry of my existence. It was neither flawless nor simple, but it was genuine. The burden of expectations, the obligations of duty, and the harsh scrutiny of the public eye could not obliterate the truth we experienced together. Even though the pages are burnt, the essence of our love lingers like a subtle fragrance, a reminder that love, even in its absence, leaves an everlasting impression. It is a narrative of hope and sorrow, of aspirations that dared to ascend and the unavoidable descent. And in that descent, I discovered a strength I had never realized I possessed, a strength forged from the charred pages of our love. As I stand here positioned between the past and the future, I carry with me the lessons learned from our love, a love that was both intense and delicate. The charred remnants of our relationship serve as a testament to the resilience of the human heart, reminding us that even when love diminishes, it never truly vanishes. It evolves, becoming an integral part of our identity, influencing our decisions and aspirations. Although the flames have subsided, the warmth lingers, a subtle ember glowing within the depths of my being. Love has imparted to me the ability to embrace both happiness and grief, to discover beauty in flaws, and to treasure the moments that shape us. The charred remnants of our relationship may bear the marks of loss, yet they are also illuminated by the light of a love that was, and will always remain a part of me. In the intricate tapestry of life, love serves as the thread that connects us to our humanity, weaving narratives of connection, passion, and development. Our narrative, though marked by the charred remnants of our relationship, is no less valuable due to its challenges. It constitutes a chapter in the grand narrative of my life, a chapter that has taught me about bravery, optimism, and the lasting strength of the heart. As I gaze toward the future, I carry the memory of our love like a hidden treasure, concealed yet radiating brightly within. The charred remnants may never be restored, but their significance is engraved in my soul, a reminder that love, even when it scorches, leaves behind a light that propels us onward. Thus I proceed with elegance, clinging to the essence of us, eternally a part of my narrative.